Welcome to Seeds of Science Season 2, a podcast by University Health Network trainees and postdocs showcasing how today's junior researchers are growing in their scientific fields.
We loved bringing you stories from UHN trainees in Season 1, and so we're back with another amazing group of students and postdoctoral researchers.
My name is Rima El Sayed.
And my name is Emily Mills.
And together with a dedicated podcast team and support from the UHN Office of Research Trainees, we showcase the diversity of trainees across UHN's 7 research institutes.
Hi, I'm Jessica Baitatis. I'm a PhD candidate at the Kite Research Institute.
My name is Patcharaporn Sisaikel. I'm a second-year postdoctoral researcher at the Granville Brain Institute.
My name is Ian Fernandez. I'm a 6th-year PhD candidate at the McEwen Stem Cell Institute.
In Season 2, we interview individual trainees and learn about their research projects, what truly excites them about science and academia, and their personal goals for the future.
My main focus is to elucidate the link between the limbic structure and cognitive functioning in the chronic pain patients.
Glioblastomas are the most fatal adult brain cancer, so it's really just trying to understand the characteristic that makes these tumors so aggressive. We're looking at the proteins that change, the RNA that changes, the DNA.
I'm studying end-of-life care, so looking more specifically at a community-based hospice palliative care organization. One of the things I'm certainly most proud of is teaching. I absolutely love teaching.
I think the allure of regenerative medicine is what drives me every day. And the questions that I want to answer is, how do we develop these therapies and how can we help patients as soon as we can?
You will also hear their unique stories about why they decided to pursue their research at UHN, as well as their experiences working here.
My wish was to establish a dialogue between the clinic and the research. And because of that, I went to do my PhD, and I'm here doing my postdoc.
When I got here, I loved it. The atmosphere was electric. There were all these extraordinarily intelligent people who were passionate about research. Being in this hub, like with all of these research institutions in the one place.
My mom was diagnosed with an ependymoma. Thankfully, it was not cancerous. I became pretty involved with the Brain Tumor Foundation. And then for International Women's Day, they asked that I interview somebody, and then it just happened to be Dr. Galerizade. She told me about her research, I fell in love with it, and then I started researching in her lab.
Because we're in the ecosystem that we're in, the UFT, UHN, we were able to get a patent. That's been an experience that I, coming into this, never dreamed of.
They also offer advice for junior researchers and students.
There's a saying in Africa, if you go on your own, you'll go fast. But if you want to go far, you need to go with others. You know, that's, I think, an important message to early career academics listening to this.
So be sure to subscribe to the UHN trainee podcast, Seeds of Science, and tune in for the Season 2 launch on September 28th.
We have loved getting to know more of UHN's trainees and postdocs this season, and we can't wait for you to meet them too. We hope this podcast can help us be inspired by and connect with the over 1,300 graduate students and postdoctoral researchers at UHN. As they continue to grow and flourish in their scientific fields, they are the seeds of science.